In this video, I will show you how you can turn your photo into a sketch on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just open the Gallery app, and from here just scroll down and select your photo which you want to turn into a sketch. For example, I'll select this photo. Now after that, just tap on the Galaxy AI icon at the bottom of the screen. Now on this page, just select Style. Now after you do that, then just select Portrait from here. But if you select any other photo which does not contain a human, like a landscape photo or a photo of a pet, the portrait option will not appear over here. Now, after you select portrait from here, then just swipe to the left side and tap on sketch, then select generate. Now after you do that, you'll turn your photo into a sketch. Now after that, just tap on save copy. As you can see, this is how you can turn your photo into a sketch. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.